Hey, what's good, guys? This is Waleed who talks finance, and yeah, today we're gonna be talking about Facebook Marketplace. I feel like this is an underrated feature out of Facebook, and I feel like uh, a lot of people are missing out, and you could be making thousands of dollars from it. And really, I'm gonna show you guys step by step my strategies and my tips, and hopefully you guys really get out some value out of it. Make sure you guys go down and smash that like button. All right. Well, as you guys already know, Facebook Marketplace, okay, is I made thousands of dollars from there. What you need to do is you can do it from the app Facebook, or you can do it on your computer too. All right. All right, let's check it out. Really, it's very simple. You just add your photos. Okay, you just add your photos. You keep a title. So for I'm gonna go for the title. I recommend putting something simple. Something simple and as short that is to the point. Just make it easy for the people, for the price. Look at your market. It will show that, it will show the people that you have discounted the price. So discounted that price. Choose the right category, condition, description. You can keep it simple. Describe as much as possible. At least the size, the color, pictures. I recommend putting multiple angles, showing people the most as possible. People like to see a lot of pictures. Just put yourself in the position of somebody buying it, and usually it will work out fine. Description, go ahead, list as a single item. I believe that single items, they work better. Even though if you do have a stock, I recommend listing it as a single item, because listing it as a single item, you sell more. You sell more because when people see list as in stock, you will see not a lot of people will hit you up, because they'll hit you up and they'll say, "Oh, this guy's a reseller." They kind of have this connotation with it. So single item works better from my experience, but you can try it out. That's up to you. Product tags, what you do, and keep a couple product tags. So what the product tags, don't keep it simple. Uh, Put a couple keywords from your title. If you're selling a bike, put bike as tag. From your description, put a couple tags. SKU, you don't really need that. That's for you. Put your location, approximate location in your description. It's quite useful if you have a pickup location. If you can put like maybe the postal code, pickup here, maybe the mall by your house, pickup, or maybe just the area. You don't want to give out your personal information like that, at least not up front. Maybe in Messenger, up to you. That's your recommendation. Stay safe when you guys are meeting people. All right, all right. So really, that's those are the main things. Those are the main things that I would recommend. Also, make sure you guys renew your listings, relist. Once it's sold, you can relist on Facebook Marketplace. You just take the stuff that you have lying around the house. You can make a few $100 just like that, and it's really not that hard. Facebook Marketplace is really simple. I know that you can also market. You can also ship it. I recommend also joining groups. So if you have your local area groups, like black market or resell groups, there's a bunch of local groups that are public. I would recommend you joining them, and then you can buy and sell from there. Sometimes what it's good is you can buy cheaper stuff from these groups and sell them on the marketplace platform. All you got to do is just polish it up, clean a little bit, and really that's about it. Well, if you guys enjoyed it, if you have any questions about the experience, leave them down in the comments below. Anyways, that was Willie Talks Finance. See you. Take care.